So still here in Clovis, California, and this is what you have in full rough. We got a previous video of things that are finished, but right now what you've got in the kitchen is there is your island, and so drain line comes straight in. All the ditches are still open, so this one's just completed, but drain line comes in, and of course venting comes first, which you can see is the 2.5 inch long sweep fitting, and then an 1.5 inch long sweep combination fitting coming over to the foot vent. And so that serves as a vent and a drain clean out. Over here on the drain side, the bottom one, that'll be a clean out. Top one will be where the trap's at and goes over the kitchen sink. And again, you can see medium sweep 90 and 245s. That's required as tall as it can go. Here what happens, it stays in front of the framing. What they do is they come in, they put some framing behind for structural purposes. The cabinet gets mounted to it, but that's still, you can see it inside the sink cabinet underneath. And probably the reason why I think they're doing it that way, this builder, is because you can get the vent up higher. The code, they want to see it as high as it possibly can be, so that's what we do, whatever the builder wants. We like to see it in the wall. It drops it down shorter, especially if the wall's 36, so you've got a double stud. It'll put you down to 33, and which means the sink is a full 3 inches above that. But honestly, potato, it's not going to change anything. So anyways, next phase from here, it's we got it under test, filled up with water, and then Monday they'll come out, take a look, give us the thumbs up, thumbs down. From there, backfilling, and then of course come in and get the sand, the rebar, everything, and get this thing poured. The other one we did, just took a video of it. Well, we've got a couple, but it's just kind of dark inside. So from out here, I just wanted it. This is a better picture. It's cleaner, which means when I go to play the video and get a static picture of this, then it's going to look nicer. So anyways, everything out here is good, and we are done.